When we talk about military upgrades, we often think of fighter jets, tanks, or missile systems. But sometimes, what truly transforms a military's capabilities is much simpler and smarter. Recently, Italy made a strategic defense move that didn't make international headlines but quietly improved its mobility and readiness across extreme environments. I'm talking about the BvS10, an amphibious all-terrain armored vehicle designed for some of the harshest terrains on Earth. In this video, we'll explore what the BvS10 is, why Italy has chosen it, and how this vehicle could reshape the way European forces operate, from the Alps to Arctic-style missions. So first, what exactly is the BvS10? This vehicle is not your typical armored troop carrier. It's an articulated twin-cabin armored vehicle, developed by BAE Systems Hägglunds, a company based in Sweden that specializes in Arctic and rugged mobility. What makes it special is that it has two compartments joined with a flexible articulating joint, which lets it move like a snake over the most difficult terrain, snow, mud, sand, or even flooded areas. It's fully amphibious, meaning it can swim across rivers or coastal areas without needing special bridges or pontoons. Think of it like the mountain goat of military vehicles. It's not fast, but it can go where almost nothing else can. Let's break down the specs and features engine. It's powered by a 250 horsepower Cummins diesel engine with an Allison automatic transmission. Speed. It can reach speeds up to 65 kilometers per hour on land and about 5 kilometers per hour in water. Payload capacity. It can carry up to 5 tons of cargo or personnel. Range. It has an operational range of 500 kilometers, enough for long-range patrols. Protection comes with ballistic and mine protection and can be fitted with a remote-controlled weapon station, usually equipped with a 7.62mm or 12.7mm machine gun. Variants. It can be configured as a troop carrier, command post, ambulance, recovery vehicle, or logistics support vehicle. Its modular design makes it ideal for multi-role tasks, especially in unpredictable conditions. Now let's talk about the real question. Why Italy? Italy has mountainous terrain, long coastlines, and sometimes faces extreme weather, especially in the north. Its military has to operate in a wide variety of environments, from the Alps to Mediterranean shores, and even take part in NATO and EU missions in cold weather or flood-prone regions. The Italian army needed a vehicle that could, 1, traverse difficult terrain, especially in disaster relief and peacekeeping operations, 2, support amphibious units like their lagoon infantry and alpine brigades, and 3, most importantly, be interoperable with NATO allies like the UK, France, Sweden, and the Netherlands, who already use the BvS10. Here's another interesting part. Italy won't just import the vehicle. They're co-producing it locally. Italy's Iveco Defense Vehicles has entered into a partnership with BAE Systems Hägglunds to produce and assemble the BvS10 in Italy. This means jobs for the local defense sector, transfer of technology, and potentially even exports in the future. By investing in local production, Italy ensures that the supply chain remains resilient, even during crises like war or economic sanctions. This model also mirrors what countries like India and Turkey are doing, where localization is a key part of defense modernization. Italy's adoption of the BvS10 also fits into a wider European security strategy. With rising concerns over climate change, countries are facing more natural disasters, floods, and harsh terrain operations. Military vehicles like the BvS10 are not just useful for combat, but also for civil defense, disaster relief, and humanitarian missions. Also, in a post-Ukraine war world, NATO countries are standardizing equipment, improving mobility, and preparing for a wider range of threats. The fact that many NATO countries already use the BvS10 makes joint operations and logistics much simpler. Italy isn't just upgrading its army, it's future-proofing it. So, to wrap it all up, the BvS10 might not look like a flashy tank or an advanced fighter jet, but it's exactly the kind of vehicle modern militaries need. Italy's decision to adopt, and co-produce, this vehicle shows a smart, strategic shift toward mobility, interoperability, and preparedness for both military and civil operations. As challenges in Europe evolve, from climate disasters to military conflicts, it's vehicles like the BvS10 that quietly ensure boots, wheels, and rescue teams can reach where they're needed most.